Did you know that regular inspections and repairs can double the lifespan of your roof? Finding and fixing small problems before they become big problems is the key. Apex Restoration and Roofing makes it easy. They schedule regular inspections in advance and suggest extra checkups after major storms, just in case. By catching problems at the earliest stages, they can often use smaller, more affordable repairs and minimize the damage done to your existing roof. It's almost always more cost-effective to repair than to replace your roof, unless you let it go too long without any repairs. Schedule an inspection now and let the experts handle the rest. They'll cut your costs, make your roof last longer, and of course, keep the rain on the outside.